Good morning. In our country, India, the fuel price is increasing day by day. But most of us are not aware of the reasons behind this increase and the politics behind this increase. Today, let us discuss the reasons and politics behind the increase in fuel price. Welcome to the Day of Politica. Now let's have a look at the statistical data in India's consumption of fuel. 80% of the fuel consumed by India were exported from other countries, mainly from OPEC countries and 10% from Iran. 60% of the fuel consumed by India were exported from the OPEC countries. OPEC means it is a union of oil producing countries and it is known as the international market as far as India is concerned. 60% of the fuel consumed by India were imported from OPEC countries, 10% from Iran and other 10% from other countries. So total 80% of the fuel consumed by India were imported from the other foreign countries. We all heard that the fuel price is increasing due to the increase in price in the international market. Now, I hope you all understood what is international market. International market means the countries which gives us the petroleum products for our consumption. So, rise in price in these commodities in these countries will lead to the increase in price in our country also. But how? Now let's discuss how the petroleum price in our country increases. But the reality is the total cost which India spends in exporting, extraction of the petroleum products from crude oil is much less than the 50% of the actual price which we give today. Then why there is a dramatic increase in the price of petroleum products? This is because of the two major taxes which are both central and state government impose on us today. This is central excise duty and second is value added tax imposed by a state government. What is central excise duty? Central excise duty is the tax imposed by a central government on petroleum products. It is the major income which our central government gets on petroleum products by means of tax. Then what is value added tax? It is a tax imposed by a state government. It is an add-on tax. That means if the price of the petroleum products or the price of diesel and petrol increases, then the value added tax imposed by a state government also increases. Today, the fact is that these two taxes imposed by both central and state government is more than 100% of the total petroleum product value. This is the reason why the price in the petroleum products increases day by day dramatically. Let's have a look. How can we control and how can we reduce the petroleum products prices? In order to reduce and in order to control the petroleum products prices, it is most importantly we need or the government needs to reduce the taxes imposed on petroleum products because 100%, more than 100% tax was imposed by both central and state government on petroleum products. So if they are ready to reduce the taxes on petroleum products, it is easy to reduce the price of petroleum products. Other important factor is that our central government has withdrawn the subsidies on petroleum products. As a result, the dealer can make changes in the petroleum price right according to the international market or according to the price change in other countries in every 6 o'clock in the morning. So this is also a reason why the petroleum products prices increases in our country day by day. We all know that petrol or petroleum is an essential commodity, and it is the duty of our government to provide us with these essential needs. If the government fails, we need to agitate for our rights. So let's awake and let's be bothered about the cheating which our government was doing on us. If you like this or if you enjoys this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.